In this video I will knit again this beautiful top for my girl. Before we have another video which shows this top in the bigger size. This is for my little girl and it's very easy to knit. I knit it on my KH910. Unfortunately I did not record everything in detail because I made a time lapse. If you still have questions or something isn't clear, please leave a comment or visit my webpage. So let's start. I started my top with an open cast on, but to make sure my stitches don't drop easily, I made a eave wrap with waste yarn. I used here some thicker waste yarn because I find it easier later on closing it.